Hello everyone, it's Karen Torcoletti and we are back. Today we are at Station 8. There's actually a lot of testing that goes on at Station 8, so I'm going to go into the coach for most of this, but I did want to show you that also what happens at Station 8, and you can see myself in the reflection, hey guys, is that the parts that we take off that I showed you in some of the earlier stations, they are put on. So they've gone out to be painted, they are now back on the vehicle, and you can see the ground effects are back on. We also installed the skirting and any manual steps at this time as well. So a little bit of work going on in the exterior, but the main thing happening in Station 8 is testing. So the water gets tested. So they do a high pressure water test at this stage. And to make sure that all the plumbing is working. They also test the propane. They do a propane line test. They turn on all the appliances to make sure they're working. And the electrical components also get tested. Now, please excuse the tools that are around. As I said, because of all the testing, there's lots of work going on. And I've kind of just interrupted them on a quick break. So, but as you can see, and I'm going to show you out the window there, that is a tank full of water, and they use that water to do the high pressure water tank. So it's fed into the unit through a hose in the back, and that's how they do the testing. So there's not a ton of build happening here, although you can see that the water closet is in. You can actually get a nice view of it because there's the other door hasn't been installed yet, because again, they're doing the testing on the plumbing. You can see that the panel is open so they can make sure that everything is being tested. They've got all the panels for anything that has a water line, electrical line, propane line. It's all open so you can see it and be tested. But you know, obviously some of the cupboards and stuff are installed that you would have seen in the Station 7, and it's starting to come to life. And make sure everything that we have in this coach is fully functional. And that's the main thing that happens in this station. So if there's any questions, let me know. If you want to see something that I haven't shown you, let me know. But Station 8 we are at right now, and it's our testing station. All right guys, stay tuned for Station 9. Bye.